Okay, so here's where we actually set up a mission using Mission Planner. So it'll boost up now. As you can see, there's loading the Mission Planner software up on the ground station, which I've got set up here. You can set a mission up wherever you want to, really. I'm setting this up at home, which is probably, if you haven't got an internet connection when you're out on the field, it's probably the better option if you want to do a mission, or you pick something out that you want to film while you're out. So there's the software, it's loaded up now. I've logged on in the Mavlink. As you can see, all the telemetry's coming in from the actual quadcopter, and then what I'll do, I'll go on to flight plan, and it should bring up where my last home position was. So it's bringing all this data in off Google. When I'm in the field, I use my phone. So what I'll do, you click on it and zoom in. So for my mission, I want to do 7. So you go to 1, 2, and all you do is you just move your mouse and then left click it, and as you can see, it brings all your mission waypoints in. You didn't want that one there, so you can just grab that and then reposition that to there, and then from 7 into here, which is 8, and then generally if you want to return to here, you bring your screen up, and then on the bottom of your screen, which is there, you'll see all the waypoints there, which is 1 through to 8 waypoints. So to get it to return back to you, you click on add below, and where it says waypoint, bring up the drop down, or in this case drop up list, and then what you'll set into that is return to launch, and then that will make it come back to you from where waypoint number 8 is on the map. And then when you get back to where it was, or where it took off from, you click on waypoint number 10, which it is now, and then you click on land, and what will happen is your quadcopter will come back to where it took off from, and it will automatically land on your position. So once you've got your mission how you want it, you can also use spline on this, in which case, instead of it being a jerky course as that is, it'll actually go around in a nice smooth arc around where your waypoints are. And you can also put a point of interest, which would be maybe, I don't know, say you wanted to put some point of interest in the middle there, you could do it that way, but I won't do that right now. I'll just basically show you how to do the waypoint. So once you've got that and you're happy with it, if you come over here, and then what you do is you click on right waypoints, and you'll see it coming up there now. Now it's set all your waypoints to your APM quadcopter board, and what I always like to do is I'll always just come back over to my flight data, make sure I'm getting all the right telemetry coming in, and it knows where I am. As you can see, it's got a 3D fix. I'll come back over to the mission, and then I'll go read waypoints. So it'll read all the waypoints, and it'll tell me this will clear your existing mission. Well, we haven't got an existing one, so it's going to be the same. I'll go OK to that, and it'll read them, and that basically is where your mission's going to take off and start from. So you just go, yeah, and mine's gone to the home position, which is over there, which you don't want it to. If it was at the field, it would be over there. So if I was to go over there now and let it run, it'd probably end up coming home without me, which we don't want. So that's basically how you set up your mission using Mission Planner for your quadcopter. And on the next bit now, we'll go over to the fields and we'll test it out and fly it. It's off in an auto mission now. You see, I'll be following them waypoints on there. Let's go on to waypoint 1. It's always hard trying to do this when you're on your own because you've got no one to film it and you're trying to keep your eye on what's happening, which isn't the best of things in case anything goes pear-shaped on you. But there it is, it's going round, it's picking up its waypoints, and again I'm not touching anything on this, it's just doing it all on its own. But that's a mission I've just set into it. Excuse the noise in the background, I've got someone in a model car, flying his model car. So it should come around now. We'll come up to waypoint 5 and it should go over to 7 in a minute. Everything seems to be going okay. All the airspeeds are going okay. Waypoints, GPS fixes. Now we'll come up to 7 and then it should come back to me as we return to land. So there we go. So it's back to me. I'll shut the throttle off. It's doing it all automated. It's coming into land now. Breaking the ignition. You can see there. More or less where it took off from.
Low ground speed 1.
More or less landing where it took off. And there it is. There you have it.